I turned this photo from this to this with just one filter. So let's get started. Hello YouTube. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe to be notified. Alright? I'm sure you all want to know what filter I used. Don't worry, I will show you. So first I opened my Snapseed app and selected the image, which is this. Then I'm going to adjust the image with the tune image icon, and in it you will see the filter I'm talking about. So I tapped here, which is the tool icon, and then I tapped on the tune image. We are getting closer to the filter I used. In this icon you can see that a lot of setting and adjustments could be made here. So first I tried reducing the contrast. Note, I didn't use the brightness setting because the picture is bright on its own. If I used it, it may cause more harm than good. But you could use it if your photo is dark and needs brightness, so don't get me wrong. You could use it depending, alright? So that brings us to the filter we've been waiting for, and that is the saturation. Saturation is a very important filter in photography. It makes your photo or image appear more alive and vivid. But when it's desaturated, it tends to appear dull, even if you are snapped in your most joyous moment. Joyful moment, yeah. So try out this filter and you'll see how your photo will take a new shape. Alright, so if you've not subscribed, please, I urge you, please subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any video I will be posting. See you next time.